Understanding Feature Request, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, feature request. This is a common term in the tech world but can be a bit confusing for those who are still mastering English. Let's dive in and understand what it really means. A feature request is a suggestion made by a user or customer to add new functionality or improve an existing feature in a product or service. It's like asking the creators of a product to add something new that would make the product even better. Imagine you're using an app and you think, it would be great if this app could do this too. That's a feature request. Feature requests are important because they help companies understand what their users really need or want. It's a way for users to communicate their ideas and for companies to keep improving. Think of it as a two-way conversation between the user and the company. When making a feature request, it's important to be clear and detailed. Explain what you want, why it's needed, and how it could benefit others. It's not just saying, I want this, but explaining, this is why it's a good idea. Let's look at some examples. 1. A user of a photo editing app. It would be great if there was a feature to automatically remove backgrounds from photos. 2. A customer of an online store. Can there be an option to sort items by eco-friendliness? And that's a wrap on feature request. Remember, it's all about suggesting improvements to make products or services better. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you in understanding this common but important phrase. Keep learning and exploring, and see you in our next video.